This pomegranate lentil salad is just one of those dishes which is seriously satisfying. It's bright, crunchy, full of texture, and makes you feel good from the very first bite. Perfect as a weekday lunch or a colourful addition to a dinner spread. Let's go. First, get your veg prepped. Chop your squash, carrots, parsnips and beetroot into even-sized 2 cm chunks. Toss them all into a bowl, sprinkle over a little cayenne and salt, drizzle over your olive oil, and then give it a good mix. Spread everything out on a baking tray and roast at 180 degrees Celsius for around about 30 minutes until tender and starting to caramelise. Whilst that's roasting, toast your walnuts. 5 to 10 minutes in the oven on a tray will do it. Time to whip up our dressing. In a small bowl, mix lemon juice, Dijon mustard, olive oil and pomegranate molasses together. If you don't have pomegranate molasses, balsamic vinegar will work fine too. Once your veg is ready, it's time to bring the whole lot together. Toss the roasted veg in a bowl with the drained lentils and the toasted walnuts. Plate up half the mix, top with a generous handful of watercress, a few pomegranate seeds, and a good drizzle of that punchy dressing. Save the rest for lunch tomorrow. Just layer up the ingredients in a container and keep the leaves fresh on top. A salad that eats like a meal. Fresh, hearty, and full of bold flavours. You simply must give this one a go, and if you do, let us know what you think about it in the comments. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you again on the next one.